I started cutting that pitch first about 9 years ago. I've been cutting it with the Parkway now for about 7 years. I think 7 years ago when I bought my first Parkway. The Parkway is the best mower for the job. It puts the stripes on there, it cuts the grass, I get a nice even sward, it looks great. The kids love it, the Sunday League football teams love it, even the dog walkers love it. It's been fantastic since I put the tweet out. The media response to it and just the positivity around it, there have been hardly any negative comments. Everybody's been so happy, everybody's been, supportive of it as well. It's been amazing, really. I'm blown away. I've had a fantastic day. Come down to Ipswich, I went around the factory, over to the football club, walked across the pitch, had a look at the pitch renovations for the coming season, stood in the middle of the pitch. What a fantastic job these guys do. I'm really, really chuffed to bits.
Jimmy, thank you for coming down to visit us here. Much appreciated. And we would just like to give you a surprise. We're going to loan you a machine for the year. So here are the keys to your new machine.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Enjoy mowing everything.
I'm absolutely blown away. I'd never imagined it would happen. I've been using Ransomes Parkways for as long as I can remember. And they always provide me with an excellent finish on all the pitches that I do. And then to go down to Ransomes, tour of the factory, I had a great day, ride up and down on a mower, and then to be presented with the keys and say we can make one to spec, it's just unbelievable, the stuff of dreams.